A commercial packing list details how goods are packed for shipment. The packing list specifies the items included in each package to ensure accuracy. Measurements and weights are provided on the packing list for transportation and customs clearance. The packing list allows the buyer to verify that the received goods match the order placed. The packing list enables customs authorities to inspect and clear goods efficiently. The packing list assists transporters and warehouse staff to handle, stack, and load cargo safely based on its weight, dimensions, and packaging type. The commercial invoice and packing lists serve distinct purposes in international trade. A commercial invoice specifies monetary values, including price, total amount payable, and terms of sale. A packing list details physical attributes such as quantity, weight, dimensions, packaging type, and identifying marks and numbers. A packing list document identifies the authorized exporter for a shipment. The Exporter Details section specifies the company's name and full address. Exporter details include the GSTIN, IEC code, contact email, and phone number. The Buyer Consignee Details section specifies the buyer's name, full address, and country for accurate delivery. The Packing List Number Date uniquely identifies the packing list and links it to other shipping documents. Invoice and packing list numbers are cross-referenced to maintain consistency in export documentation. The Description of Goods section specifies product, name, grade, color, finish, and sizes to avoid confusion. The Quantity Packaging Type section specifies units, bundles, or crates, along with packaging details like fumigated wooden crates with plastic wrapping. The Net Weight, Gross Weight section differentiates between the weight of goods alone and the weight including packaging. Each crate or bundle is marked with a unique identifier for easy recognition. For full container shipments, the container number and seal number are included for verification purposes. These identifiers ensure accountability and security throughout the shipping process. A packing list is crucial for smooth customs clearance, preventing delays and penalties by providing accurate shipment information. Packing lists ensure correct freight charges based on actual weights and dimensions, allowing for transparent and fair pricing. The buyer's warehouse uses the packing list to efficiently verify and store items, streamlining their receiving process. The packing list is prepared post-production alongside the commercial invoice, ensuring up-to-date and accurate details. The export manager approves the packing list, confirming compliance with company standards and regulatory requirements. The packing list is shared with the buyer along with the final document set, ensuring transparency and facilitating efficient receipt of goods. A packing list must include accurate weights and dimensions of packed goods for shipping compliance. Detailed item descriptions, including quantity and type, are essential for easy identification and customs clearance. Specific identifiers on the packing list facilitate efficient tracking and processing of goods. Verify the packing list against the proforma and commercial invoice to ensure consistency across export documents. Professional formatting and branding on the packing list enhance credibility and ensure clear communication. Maintain both digital and signed hard copies of the packing list for record-keeping and auditing purposes. Sharing the packing list with the buyer and customs house agent, CHA, ensures smooth clearance. Timely information exchange prevents delays in the import process. Companies prioritize transparency by providing accurate packing lists with complete documentation.